what you gonna do? Play it back like a million times, because they know that you're the absolute. No one else is even coming close. They're all just reaching for a piece of you. The original.
Ah.
Never seen anything like it. The world record, 0 to 400.
How did you go today?
It was amazing. The car and Sony just broke a couple of new world records. The Regera did exactly what it was supposed to do. The fastest car ever to 400. Whoever gets there first wins. That's the motto of the Regera.
That's all good and dandy, but what about the top speed?
Well, that's for another car. I mean, this is huge top speed, but we have faster top speed cars, of course.
Hold my beer.
Right.
Cheers.